And welcome back, new brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix apps not downloading on App Store. So how to fix, first of all, go back here home screen and open your iPhone and iPad setting, and from here click on Wi-Fi and make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection. Turn off Wi-Fi toggle. At least the 30 second you have turned it on, and after that go back. If you use mobile data, then turn on airplane mode. At least the 30 second you have turned it off, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then click on general, and from here click on software update, and what you need to do it, update your iPhone and iPad. And after that go back, scroll down and click on iPhone storage, and from here what you need to do it, delete useless app. And after that go back, scroll down and click on date and time, and from here make sure that turn on this toggle set automatically. If the toggle turn off, what you need to do it, turn on this toggle and make sure that correct date and time set. And after that go back, scroll down and click on VPN and device management. From here, if you connect anyone VPN, what you need to do it, disconnect, and after that go back, scroll down and click on transfer reset iPhone. And from here click on reset, click on reset network setting, enter your passcode and click on reset network setting. After reset network setting, I hope your problem will be fixed. If it is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share it in the comments box. I am helping more. Thanks for watching.